Are you looking for ways to save money? Well, you're in luck because in this video, we'll be sharing some great tips with you. Tip number 1. Create a budget and stick to it. By tracking your expenses, you'll have a better understanding of where your money is going. Next, try to cut back on unnecessary expenses like eating out or buying expensive coffee. Consider cooking at home and making your own coffee to save a significant amount of money. Another great way to save is by using coupons and taking advantage of sales and discounts. It may take some extra time and effort, but the savings can really add up. When shopping, always compare prices and look for the best deal before making a purchase. Avoid impulse buying and give yourself a waiting period to think about whether you really need the item. Make sure to set savings goals for yourself and work towards them consistently. Consider automating your savings by setting up automatic transfers to a separate savings account. Cutting down on energy usage can also help you save money by reducing your utility bills. Turn off lights and unplug electronics when they're not in use. Consider using energy-efficient appliances and LED light bulbs to reduce your electricity consumption. If you're looking to make a big purchase, take the time to research and compare prices from different sellers. Consider buying used or second-hand items instead of brand new ones to save money. Don't forget about the power of negotiation. You'd be surprised at how much you can save by simply asking for a better price. Another tip is to avoid late fees and interest payments by paying your bills on time. By doing so, you can save money and maintain a good credit score. Consider canceling or reducing subscription services that you don't use or can live without. Lastly, don't be afraid to ask for discounts or negotiate lower rates on services like cable, internet, or insurance. Remember, saving money is all about making small changes and being mindful of your spending habits. We hope we helped you learn to save money. Please subscribe for more quick tips and how-tos.